Happy 2019, everyone. Hope everybody had a great Christmas and wish everyone a great year ahead. You know, when I got back from Michigan over the holidays, I decided I'd do some improvements here in the Mancave, i.e. my garage. My truck is out in the driveway right now. And I just want to show you a couple of things with my do-it-yourself 24-volt home solar power system, and we'll get in here real close. And I will also take you into the bedroom. I did some AV mods in my bedroom for better sound and viewing of my TV set. I just want to take a few moments here and get in here real close, and I'll show you what I did with this 24-volt battery bank. All right, let's start up here on the top. Kind of work our way down. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and what I want to show you is on the Mate 3, the Outback Power Mate 3. Right up there, you can see the green light is on at 5 o'clock in the morning. That's your battery status monitor. Green light is good light, right? And if you look down here at the meter, it's reading about 25 and some change volts. So my battery bank is, in the morning, you know, no charging. I'm not inverting at this time either, but it's holding really good. But I want to show you a couple little tweaks I did down here to improve the performance of the system. The one thing I did is I moved the string power cables. I got 2 strings of 4 batteries each, and right now the center, you know, the charging discharging cable 4/0 is in the middle of the strings. I also swapped out that battery. You can see right there the cables. Cleaned all that up too. And that battery I replaced too. That was the one that said overheating, and it seems to be working all right. It's holding a charge better than the other one. But you know, eventually these batteries will be replaced. Let's go over here to my workbench area. I'll show you a couple of little things I've been working on here. And look at right there. I'm going to circle this so you can see it. It's a little DC to DC buck converter made out of oak wood, of some wood I had laying around. Decided to play around with it. Actually use this with my solar panel, you know, like a little mini solar charge controller. But there's a lot of other uses that I can use this for. And on the workbench there with that metal ammo can, that's actually going to be a 24-volt system when I'm done, so stay tuned with that. All right, now we're here in the bedroom, and this is the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K with the new style remote. I'll leave a link in the description below on how you can get one of these off my Amazon store, but I just want to show you a couple of little things. There's one button on and off, turns the TV and soundbar off. The subwoofers are always on. But it also has a volume on there too. Controls the Vizio 38-inch 2.0 soundbar. So this is actually a 2.2 system because I have 2 subwoofers down there, 10-inch 100-watt power subs, and the sound is just phenomenal. While I was sprucing up the bedroom here, I also installed a full motion TV wall mount and fixed all the holes with spackle and paint on that back wall right there. Alright, this is my 24-volt system that I leave on all the time. And this thing's just like a refrigerator. It just runs and runs and runs and runs. I may pull this out and do an inspection on it and do a couple little tweaks, but just love that system. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.